Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to show you the recent sari purchase that I've done, and I have bought different kinds of saris. Uh, I have slowly started developing more affinity towards these saris, and I would like to show you the different kinds of saris that I've recently purchased. I have purchased in one of the Instagram influencer store, and another was from the exhibition. And all these saris are different kind of variations. It has different type it has, and it is rooted to a different place actually. Mostly I bought in some cotton saris that can be worn during summer, and they're very pretty comfortable, and the material is really good. And I will also share the tips of how you can maintain all these saris for a very long time. So the first sari is I bought this from the exhibition. um, okay, so this is the sari, you can see. So it is maroon color with the dark yellow border, and it has these elephant prints. Okay, so it's a very authentic sari that you can actually buy. The reason why I bought it, because it is very traditional, and it goes back to the olden ages, and I like this elephant print also. So this sari is actually, they call it as Korvai Pattu sari. It is basically made with, this is, you can only give this for dry cleaning. Don't wash it off. Okay, so if there is any dirt that you have, you can give it for dry cleaning. You shouldn't be using it in the washing machine. Okay, and another thing what you can do is you can also dry this in the sunlight for some time, and then you can reuse it again. So this is that beautiful sari, and you can actually pair it with yellow color blouse. So this is how it looks. I'll show it to you like this. Okay. The next sari I would like to show is, I am a fan of green color. Okay, so in the same material, I bought another color, that is this one, green with black. So you can see green with black design, and I think black comes as the blouse as well. It comes along with the blouse material. So this is sari number 2. I can wear it for office, I can wear it for any outing, or I can wear it for uh, any function, any event. I can wear it, and this is a pretty elegant sari, and it is not that heavy. So it's not that heavy. It's very light, and it's easy to carry. The pleats that you keep will always stand stiff. So this is that sari. So I've showed you 2 saris, and these 2 saris I bought it from one of the exhibitions in Chennai. I tell you, go to exhibition, you will have unique pieces to pick from, because they are from different places. They come in to one place and organize this particular exhibition, wherein you get to see varieties of items that you haven't seen on local stores. So I would always suggest you hit the exhibition, just have a look at things. Might be few things looks pretty that you haven't found at the local stores. You can go and purchase them. Sometimes it gives you a nice feel of having to see all the different people come together at one place. Okay, so these 2 are the saris that I bought from the exhibition. And I bought, then I told you, right, I bought few saris from an Instagram influencer store. So the store name is Temple Designer Studio. Okay, so this is the brand, Temple Designer Studio. I was looking into a few sari stores nearby, and this was one that is situated at Velacheri to Tambaram road, and that is something nearby to my place. So first time when I went there, I made a huge purchase, and their collections are really good. You have to take time. and see them. Okay, so the third sari is this beautiful cotton sari, and I like these prints. Okay, so this is the sari. So blue color sari with pink border. So for this summer, I don't have anything in blue, I believe, so that is the reason I picked this. There is Dola silks as well, so you can purchase them. They have variety of Dola silks, and most of the customers who hit the store there usually go for the Dola silks because the collection is huge. Next sari I wanted to show is the another cotton. It is kind of cotton silk, they say, and this is basically a Worli painting. These paintings are called as Worli painting. These are very. This goes back to the olden age, like the civilization age. That is where all these prints come in. So they are Worli painting, and the sari is really nice. You can drape it, and the pleats will look stiff, and you will have an elegant look. Okay, so this is one such sari. The next sari that I have is a normal cotton sari. Okay, I like black color. I love black. So this is one black sari with red color border. You can see with red color border, and this is a very nice sari. It has different prints as well. The same sari with different prints you get. You can just wear it casually anywhere for shopping or mall or temple. You can wear them. Um, Moving on to the online purchase that I did. So this sari is a blue color sari. You can see the print. Okay, it's a very nice simple sari. You can pair this with a white color blouse or blue color blouse, or you can pair it with a contrast blouse. And so this one is cotton. Again, this is cotton, and you can wear it for your office, for temple, anywhere that you like. Even if you're traveling, you can wear this sari. This is really nice. This is a very nice sari. Okay, you can drape it with a black color blouse, or you can pair it with a contrast blouse as well. Okay, so this is that pretty sari, like the prints as well. This comes as the border. So also bought one black sari. I already wore that today, and it was really nice. That was from Malmal cotton. So there's a different kind of material called Malmal cotton. People call it Khadi cotton. You can wear that sari. It's very comfortable. You don't. It'll just take 2 minutes to wear that sari. So yeah. Thank you all for watching this video. If you did, then please do like, share and subscribe. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.